In this video, how to add a progress bar in your video in Camtasia. First, add a rectangle shape. Resize the rectangle to match the thickness and position you want for your progress bar. Typically, it goes at the bottom of the video, running horizontally. You can change the color of the rectangle by clicking on the shape and using the Properties tab on the right-hand side. At the beginning of the timeline, set the initial position of the rectangle progress bar out of the canvas. This is where the progress bar will start. Next, animate the progress bar. Select the End keyframe and ensure that the rectangle progress bar in the timeline is as long as your video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.